Yeah, good morning guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa may Coronage. Nilakad namin si Star, no? Kasama ko yung anak ko na si Alisa Kate. Yeah, punta tayo sa bundok. Tingnan natin kung may mga nag-ice skate. Medyo malamig pa rin. Medyo malamig pa yung panahon, ano? Can't wait na mag-spring para maraming mapasyalan, no? Mapuntahan natin. Kasama ko si Stinky Dog, guys. Yeah, long walk kami ngayon, no? Kasi it's only -3 degrees Celsius. So warm dito, hindi ganun kalamig. Yeah, although medyo malamig lang ng konti. Yeah, -3 degrees Celsius. So, yeah. So ito ngayon guys, ano? Itong kalagayan dito sa Montreal. Today is Wednesday? In the afternoon, around 1 o'clock. So good afternoon. Baka sinabi ko good morning. Yeah. So guys, merong curling ata tawag dito, no? So magka-curling sila.
Thank you for the game.
Did she want something? So ang tawag dito guys, curl up and play your Olympic moments. Do you guys supposed to win something, madam? If you win, you supposed to win something?
No, you're not winning anything.
Oh, we're not
It's
good.
just competition and see who's like the best, you know?
Who's
do
the
you
best?
Do you ever
No,
like play?
I haven't.
You should
Yeah?
because it's precision and strength, but not too much. Like golf. Do you play golf?
No.
No, it's the same thing, but you should try. Seriously.
Okay, how much you have to pay?
It's free.
It's for free?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try later, yeah. Let me see with it, I'm gonna...
Yeah, come play, come play.
Yeah.
Do you have someone to play with? You?
No, just by
He's
myself.
gonna play with you. It's
Okay.
really. He's,
Yeah, I'll play with you, yeah, yeah.
Watch out. He's
Yeah,
not
he's
playing
very
alone.
good.
Yes, okay?
Okay, yeah, she's gonna film, yeah.
When I beat you, you put this online, okay?
Yeah, we'll put it online. So we'll put it online daw. Maglalaro sila, makikipagkumpisa sa akin. So we will see.
Ok. François. Parfait, c'est super simple.
I think this is guys, a good game, no? Para makita natin. Ayun na yung curling, yung professional, may Canada. So kasama ata sa Olympics, ano? So we'll see.
Oh, it's okay. Sinon, regarde, mets tes mains, avec les deux mains comme ça. Ouais. Oui, vas-y. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, galing ng bata, no? At least kailangan ato umabot din sa pinakang ano.
Ouais, c'est l'essai de la fille pour elle. On va te redonner, ok? Tu vas essayer encore.
So guys, ang curling is a game, Canadian game ata to, no? Canadian, North American game, no? So pwede siya. Yay!
Allez, attends-toi, mon ami. Oh, vas-y.
Wow! So guys, ito yung professional curling, no?
Non, mais il dépêche.
So, yun, no? Merong Canadian team, merong Swedish, I think Sweden tsaka Canadian, ano? So may mga North American o even European, no? May mga games sila. Meron siyang gano'n, so pinopromote nila yung sports na tiyatawag. No? So, yay!
Oh! The last one. Allez, plus fort que tu peux.
Mettez deux mains pour pousser comme ça, les deux mains.
1, 2, 1.
Another game na mag-i-start sila, guys. So tingnan natin kung sino nanalo. Yay!
It's okay, go again, go again. Go again, go again, go again. Oh!
So tingnan natin tong ano guys, ano, tong Little Burger din, no? Tingnan natin dito sa loob kung anong Yung mga tinda ng mga sapatos guys, ano, para makita nyo. Thanks God, there's no music. So guys, ito yung mga sapatos na meron sila. Little Burgundy, no? Yeah, we'll see. Kasi wala pa masyadong tao sa umaga ito guys. Oh, ang ganda naman. So I think this is for women. Yeah, this is for female. And this is for guys. Yeah, yun. Hindi tayo pwede magtagal. May sounds. Oops. Thank you, madam. So, tingnan natin to sa Nescafe. Meron silang ano guys. Mga Nescafe na ano guys. Meron silang mga machine, no? Oh, man. Ito meron silang 40% off guys. Sa na machine, ayun, Nespresso. And then, maganda to, 40% off. And then, meron silang 50% off din, no? Ito guys, napakaganda nitong machine na to, no? Yung mga ganito. Kung marunong kang gumamit, this is good, no? Tingnan pa natin meron. Yan, 40% off. Wow! Wow! Ganda yung mga percentage na meron sila ngayon. Yan. Hindi na yung pwedeng mailagay, no? Yung mga pwedeng timplayan, no? So may mga flavor sila, no guys? Intenso, Stormio. Wow. Nespresso. Lakad-lakad tayo, no? Lakad-lakad tayo dito sa mall. Brother, I'll be back. Lakad-lakad muna tayo. Tingnan natin sa Happiness. So, maganda rin dito sa mall na to. Kung sa magal, isang tao. At saka malinis, no? So, ikot tayo dito. Nasa Winners sila eh. Nagpunta si Madam tsaka si Andrew, no? Kasama namin ngayon. Just ko 70% off guys dito sa ano. Oh, grabe, no? Just ka up to 70% off. Grabe, no? Mga gold na meron dito, no? So, diamond siguro, no? Wow! Nagtitingin siguro sila ng sale na meron dito guys sa ano, no? Sa... At meron tayong David's Tea. Let's have a taste of this. This is for free to taste. Tignan natin to guys, ano? So Forever Nuts, tikman natin. Yeah, medyo nutty siya, no? Yung flavor nito isa. Medyo nutty yung flavor, no? Which is good. Yeah. Ito mo, maganda to store na to, no? Pero puro sapatos, ano? Ikot tayo siguro sa Winners, tingnan natin sa red. At tingnan tayo sa Winners maya. Mag-check tayo ng mga sale, ano? Kung tingnan natin kung anong sale meron sa Winners. Oh man, tingnan natin tong ano guys, oh. Fresh Prince daw, no? Maganda yung one dito, yung... Wow, guys, oh. It's Jordan, oh. Siyempre, idol, no? Wow. Kobe Bryant, guys. Oh, St. Pierre. Joe St. Pierre. Grabe, oh. LeBron James. Michael Jordan. Bryant. Guys, oh. Wow. Grabe to mga ano. Mga paintings dito, ano? Grabe sa ang ganda sana pag-ikot, medyo may music. Ewan ko lang kung malakas, ano? Tingnan natin, baka naman pumasok. Ayun, malakas na dito. Delikado tayo dyan, so ayan, no? Guys, kaganda ng mga paint nila, no? Mga paintings, no? Ganda. Wow. Dito maganda bumili ng paint, no? Yung painting. Wow. Wow. Ganda. Hanapin natin sila sa loob, ano? Tingnan natin kung walang music doon, kung makakapasok tayo.